Hi guys, in this video, we are going to learn how to create Netflix logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle above the artboard. And change its color to black. Then go to Object menu and lock the selection. Then select the Type tool and type the text "Now streaming on." Then change its color to white. Font size to 50 points. Font to Product Sans. Product Sans font link in description. Move the text. Then select the Type tool and type the text Netflix. Then go to Fill and enter the RGB value E50914. And change its font to Bibas Neue. Bibas Neue font link in description. Then change its text size to 224 points. And place it down. Then go to Effects, Warp, and click on Arc Lower. Then change its bend to -11% and click OK. Hold Shift key and press F7 and align it. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.